Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking here at Dutchy HQ. Like I say again, still on lockdown here in the UK, so today I'm going to be doing another freezer aid video. So I'm going to be cooking flank steak with a warm pasta salad. So we're going to get a medium-sized skillet on the joy stove and get it warmed up. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to have flank steak. The pan could have done with being a little bit warmer. So we're going to cook this steak for about 2.5 minutes each side. Yeah, I like my steak rare to medium rare. Before we turn it, I'm going to give it a good grind of salt and pepper. So I'm going to turn it, go for about 2.5 minutes on this side. So our steak's cooked. We're going to let this rest for about 5 minutes, which is just enough time to cook our fresh pasta. So putting a pan on of boiling water. Just going to put a skillet on top to bring it back up to the boil. That's up to the boil. I'm just going to add some fresh pasta I've got left over. It's about an handful. And we're going to cook this for 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, this pasta is cooked. We'll get it off the joy stove. We're going to strain it and put the pasta back into the pot. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I've got about 6 baby tomatoes here that I've chopped in half. A good handful of basil chopped. 2 chopped garlic cloves. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I'm just going to get all this all mixed in. The pasta is going to warm everything through. Now it's time to cut our steak. I'm going to cut across the grain into about 1/4 inch slices. That just blushing in the middle. Once I've cut it that way, I'm just going to turn it and cut them in half. Just a quick taste. So it's time to get plated. I'm going to put a pasta on first. All the lovely tomatoes out. This really is a really quick dish to do. Just going to arrange our steak on the top. Little basil leaf for presentation. So there we have it. That's my skirt steak with a warm pasta salad. Yeah, the steak's nice and tender. The salad of the pasta is just warm enough. The pasta has just warmed the tomatoes and just warmed the garlic through. A real nice dish. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell. Stay safe.